Warning: if your cruise suitcase is a chaotic mess, prepare to have your mind absolutely blown. Today, I'm revealing the craziest, most genius cruise packing hacks that will literally change your life. We're talking space-saving sorcery, essential items you're forgetting, and a definitive list of what not to bring that will save you so much hassle. You won't believe how much you can fit, and how much stress you'll avoid. This is the ultimate guide to cruise packing tips and what to pack for a cruise. Alright, let's conquer the packing beast. The first step to packing perfection is mastering space. Forget everything you thought you knew about fitting clothes into a suitcase. First up, rolling versus folding. For years, people have debated this. And while folding can work for some items, for most cruise wear, rolling is your superpower. It compresses clothes, reduces wrinkles, and creates more space. Watch this. Next, the absolute game changer. Packing cubes. If you don't use these, you are missing out. They compartmentalize your clothes, making it easy to find things without rummaging, and they compress items even further. I use one for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear, and one for swimsuits. It's like having mini drawers in your suitcase. Think multi-use items. A sarong isn't just a beach cover-up. It's a towel, a scarf, a light blanket, even a makeshift curtain. Choose versatile shoes. Maybe one pair of comfortable walking sandals, one dressier pair, and flip-flops. That's it. And for toiletries, travel-size everything, or even better, refillable bottles. Finally, embrace the capsule wardrobe concept. Plan your outfits around a few core colors so everything mixes and matches. This drastically reduces the number of items you need to bring. You'll look stylish every day without needing a separate outfit for every single hour of your cruise. Now let's talk about those little things that make a huge difference on a cruise, but everyone seems to forget. These aren't just nice-to-haves, they're cruise essentials. First, an over-the-door shoe organizer. Your cabin bathroom is tiny, and storage is limited. Hang this on the back of your bathroom door, and suddenly you have a place for toiletries, hair products, sunscreen, even small snacks. It's a vertical storage miracle. And this, my friends, is my absolute favorite, a true game changer: magnetic hooks. Cruise cabin walls are metal. These little powerhouses stick right on, giving you instant hanging space for hats, wet swimsuits, lanyards, even light jackets. No more cluttering up precious counter space. This hack alone will make your cabin feel twice as big. You'll also want a non-surge protector power strip. Cabins usually have only one or two outlets. A regular power strip gives you extra charging ports for all your devices: phones, cameras, smartwatches. Just make sure it's not a surge protector, as those are often prohibited for safety reasons. A refillable water bottle is another must. Stay hydrated, save money on bottled water, and reduce plastic waste. Most ships have water stations where you can fill up for free. Finally, a small basic first aid kit. Think Band-Aids, pain relievers, anti-diarrhea meds, and any personal prescriptions. Ship medical centers are expensive, and you don't want a minor headache ruining your day. Now for the tough love. What should you absolutely positively leave at home? This list isn't just about saving space, it's about avoiding hassle, fines, and even danger. First, prohibited items. This is crucial. Irons, clothes, steamers, and candles are almost universally banned due to fire risk. Don't try to sneak them on. They'll be confiscated, and you might face consequences. Most ships have laundry services or self-service laundromats with irons. Next, excessive toiletries. The ship provides shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Unless you have specific brands you can't live without, leave the giant bottles at home. Travel sizes or decanting into small containers is the way to go. Too many shoes. I know, it's tempting. But you really only need 3 to 4 pairs. Comfortable walking shoes, flip-flops or sandals, and one dressier option if you plan on formal nights. Those extra heels or sneakers will just take up valuable space. And finally, formal wear if you don't need it. Check your cruise line's dress code. Many lines are much more relaxed now. If you're not planning on dining in the main dining room on formal night or attending special events, leave the tuxedos and ball gowns at home. They take up an enormous amount of space for one or two uses. There you have it, cruise maniacs. With these packing superpowers, forgotten essentials, and a clear list of what to ditch, you're ready to pack like a pro. We've covered rolling, packing cubes, magnetic hooks, and what to leave behind to make your cruise stress-free and organized. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to packing hack? Did I miss anything? Share your wisdom in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Cruise Maniacs for more insider tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.